opposite hand. We did a basic prep, okay? We spin her into a little wrap. I take out a step, so I did slow, 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 or 1, 2, 3, 4 now on the same foot as her. We're gonna take out another step right here and just do 5. So I've essentially got 5 slows in a row for the lead. She's doing and 5. We got this connection point. I'm going to accelerate her, pick up the hips. She brings the right arm up out of the way, and 5. Okay? I wait and step 5 right with her. Then we're gonna bring her back up on 6. The music calls for it. You can hold 2 more beats and bring her back out on 8, but we want to bring her in evenly because she's on the left foot. Okay? Simultaneously, I'm also going to come over here in front of her a little bit. I'm going to reach out, pick up the hips, redirect, triple it out, anchor it done. Watching that same thing from the other direction. Now we have 1 stretch, 2, 3, 4 for me, 3 and 4 for her, and 5 for her, just 5 for me. 6, 7, and 8. Anchor it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That's counting the leader's footwork that time. And then last week we did 3 variations. We had 1, 2, 3, and 4. And you can either pivot, step, step for anchor, or you can French cross. 5 and 6. Either one for the leads. That was your basic. Pardon me. Then we also did 1, 2, 3, and 4, keeping that hand up. I'm going to pivot through for 5, under the arm for 6, 7, and 8. We could do that as a 6 if you wanted to accelerate the connection points. Works better most of the time as an 8. Then we gave you a third option of drop that hand before it goes over the head, slip it on the shoulder, drag it down. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8.